Welcome to another programming workout. We're trying to improve the typing in the first place, and then if STS TMP see. %, that's nice. Nice. 6. Getting worse and worse. All right. So Java it is. So last we did what? We did last index. Okay, so we will do something new. Static array list. Enumeration. Okay, so we'll create enumeration. I don't know how the enumeration works, so it is a list. Okay, so salt list, and here we will create new enumeration. We will have integer. Yeah, why not? What's the problem? Oh, okay. In that case, Java enumeration example. No one even cares about it. Java enumerations. Okay, that's not it. Okay, so we will go to here and just have a look in there. And it was Alt F7, I think, to find usages. Interesting. What? Well, that's exactly. Oh, here it is. Extends implements. Maybe. PNG. That's in constants array. Where are we in constants? That's not what I wanted to see. compound enumeration. Then we will do some after this round. And I didn't start a timer again. Is there an example for it? I bet there is not. Yeah, there is not. Oh, like that. That's the list. It takes in enumeration. Oh, you know what? Fuck that. Fuck that. Fuck that. So we will do the max. Will be here. So where is this? This guy goes here. And we will go to max. And it takes the collection or collection and comparator. So we will do both. I'll create new array list. Teacher. And it will take list of, and here will be this number 20 99 or 9. Yeah, that's good enough. And I'll extract it. This will be some list for max, good, and here, I can go here. And what we want to do, we want to call the maximum on that, so we will print it out right away. We will say collections max. The collection will be, I cannot see, escape, undo, go away, list for max. Let's see what this do. Okay, so that searches the max. What if we put in the comparator and we have the integer comparator, right? Which is reversed. So this will be Shift F6, and we'll say reverse integer comparator. Cool. And here we will print out the collections, the max, and inside of there we will have the list for max and a new instance of the reverse integer comparator, and that should print out the minimum, which it does. We have a 0 in there. If we have a -1, it should return -1. Good. So this works. I'll put in 11 because if it's -1, a lot of time we got to return from a method of -1, and it means something went wrong, wasn't found, and so on. So we have the max, both of them. Then we have the minimum. That will be the same, but let's just do it for the kicks of it. So this will be in, and collection collections min, and we will have a list for max and oh fuck. Insert new surface comparator. That's the same thing, but the rest, yeah. So we did that. And copies returns num copies of object contained in an immutable list. And it returns list. Okay. Sure, so let's try to do that. So piece. Oh, quotes. Oh, come on. Like that, and then we will have a escape. So, and we will create our object. So new, we are doing string all the time. So we do string s equals to hello with a space. That's all right. And then here we will print out collections copies. We will take 10 and want S. Okay, cool. Run it. And we got what we wanted. 10 is maybe too much, so we will do A. That's much easier to check. Good. We got that. And copies. Replace all. Replaces all occurrences of alt within the new with new in the list. Returns true if at least one replacement occurred. Returns false otherwise. Okay. So replace all. We want some list, so we will create what did I do? Here we'll create a list. Something I will use integers, why not? Again, so a new array list of integers. Array list integer, and we will have a list of, and we will have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go, and then I will extract it to place list, and now we will call the replace. So it returns true or false if we are able to replace it or not. So we will say collections dot replace all, and now is the list, and then the old value and new value. Okay, so the list is replace list. The old value will be list of, and this will be 1, 2. And then the new value will be list of, and this will be 0, 0. Okay, now it's red wine. Okay, so it doesn't take list, it takes just one value. Okay, so that's all right. We can so the old value will be 2, for example. 2, and then we will delete shows, and we will replace it with 0 and close this parenthesis and this parenthesis. Okay, that, then we will print out our list. here. And so we'll print it out before replacing anything. Then we will replace the all twos with 0. And we will see if that was replaced or not. This should return true because we did replace something. And then we will try to do it again, but we should get false because it didn't replace anything. So let's see. It works. So reverse. Okay, so we can do that. Out, out. So this will be reverse. And here we will have I'll just do that on a new list. Okay, I will do new list. New array list. What another list do I have? List, JList, list model, array list. There's a linked list. Yeah, so we will do linked list. So we have a change. Teacher list of 1, 2, 3. What just happened? Undo. Teachers. Others. List. We will print it out. What the reverse list does. Okay, so print it out and we say collections dot reverse, and we want reverse the reverse list. Right, delete this, and we have a problem that it doesn't return anything, right? So that's okay. We can escape, and here I will delete till the beginning of the line, and then at the end of the line I can zap this character. It will be, so now it will be reversed, and I can print it out. Oh fuck. Escape. Here we go. And it's reversed. So that one's easy. I did put in too much D. That's okay. So what's next? Reverse. Returns a reverse comparator. It takes interesting. It also can take the comparator and just turn it around. Interesting. So we will do reverse order. Extract it to object comparator. Yeah, why not? Maybe I want it for integers. Okay. Now we will have a new list. List integer list of, and we will also 1, 2, 3. Zero, for example. There we go. And now extract it. So we for list. Fuck. How do I redo? It was Control R, right? Yep. Now let's redo. Anyway. What do I want to do now? I want to use it. I want to sort it. So I do collections, sort, and we will use this guy, which will have the ref comparator list and our comparator, which is called undo. I don't like the name object comparator, so I will change it. Object comparator. There we go. Oh fucking A, what did you just do? This will be reverse comparator. There we go. And here we will put our reverse comparator. Okay. And we can print out our ref comparator list. And print it out twice. Yeah, it's from the greatest to the lowest. Okay, so we have that. But now we can create the reverse comparator from under the comparator. So let's try that. We will say collections reverse order, and we will feed in the comparator, and we will reverse comparator, and this we will instruct, and it will be a comparator. Enter, and now we will sort. So we will do collections, sort, we will feed in the list and the comparator, which will be the ref comparator. Hey, that's good. Actually, to create a reverse comparator as lambda is quite easy to do too. Oh wow, I need to try that. We'll finish this, but I want to try that. First comparator list, and then we will have our RR comparator. And now I want to print it out, so which will be south ref comparator list. Okay. And let's see that again. That should reverse it once again, so it will be in the ascending order. Yes, it fucking works. Okay, good. And now I want to try to create a comparator. And you did the reverse, like O takes O1, O2, and O2 compares to 1. So now I will create a normal comparator, but using the lambda, which you showed me. So I will create IntelliJ will tell you to use what are you using the. Yeah, well, okay. Let's do it then. So I say comparator, and this will be integer, and this will be, let's get comparator equals, and now we will have a lambda or 1. This guy. But let's say you have some class with an int inside called num. Or maybe I can keep this here. It doesn't go in the way. O2 get num compared to O2. Yeah, got it. If it's like field of the how do you call it in Java? Is it property or field of the object? Which one is the correct thing to say? And I will do here O1 compared to O2. Is it the same thing? Thanks. Properties are fields in class. Thank you, was good. And here at the end I do Shift A, yeah. And that, good. Enter, and we will do collections sort. We will sort the ref comparator list, and we will use the last get comparator, which should be in normal order. So currently it is the 0, 1, 2, 3. Oh fuck. Yeah, so I want to see some change, right? So I will change this to O2, O1 to create a reverse comparator. Yes. But I want to print out what I did. I will what's that? Ref comparator list. Here we go. There you go. It works. It fucking works. Thank you so much. So, and we are over the time limit with this round, which means we are done. Done is better than perfect. And this is the end of this programming workout. So